Hello students and welcome to my channel Sriram Edutalks. In today's class we are going to do the converse of Basic Proportionality Theorem, also known as BPT. Now in one of my earlier videos I have already taught you the statement and the proof of Basic Proportionality Theorem. So let's begin today with the converse of BPT. Now, the statement of the theorem says that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, in this we are given a triangle ABC in which DE is intersecting AB and AC in such a way that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So this is already given to us and we have to show that this line DE is parallel to BC. Now as you can see, I have drawn this particular line in red. That means this is our construction which we need to remember. This is very important. We will draw another line from D such that DE dash, let DE dash be parallel to BC. Okay, let us start with the proof. Now, as I have supposed DE dash to be parallel to BC, so by BPT, I will get AD by BD is equal to AE dash by E dash C. This is using Basic Proportionality Theorem. But we are already given that AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. You can mark these as equation 1 and 2. So this is already given. So if we see equation 1 and 2, the left hand sides are equal. So therefore the right hand sides must also be equal. So you will write from 1 and 2 we get AE dash by E dash C must be equal to AE by EC. Okay. Now if I add 1 to both sides of this equation, so adding 1 to both sides of equation number 3. Let's say this is equation number 3. So what I will get is AE dash upon E dash C plus 1 is equal to AE upon EC plus 1. Now if I solve by taking LCM, I will get AE dash plus E dash C upon E dash C is equal to AE plus EC upon EC. Now if you carefully see the numerator, AE dash plus E dash C becomes AC. Likewise, AE plus EC also become AC. Now in these two ratios, the numerators are equal. So I can say the denominators must be also equal. Now this is only possible if E and E dash are nothing but same point. That means they coincide. So E dash C will be equal to EC only if E and E dash coincide. So this implies E and E dash must coincide. And if E and E dash coincide, I can say that not DE dash but DE only is parallel to BC. So DE parallel to BC. And that is what we wanted to show. So Bacho, that is all for today in the Converse of BPT. I hope you must have learned the Converse very well. Come back again for more such videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and yes, keep watching Sriram Edutalks.